definitely want to do on a hot day.
We're on the Maid of the Mist, and we're about to go take a tour of the falls.
Yeah, we're riding the Nikola Tesla. This is an all-electric boat. I guess what you call it, observation boat.
Observation boat, yeah.
I mean, he was one of the. I think there was 2 people. I'll have to go back and read, but there was 2 of them that did the hydroelectric stuff for Niagara Falls back in the day. Now, granted, I'm sure it's been upgraded since then. Yeah. So yeah, we're riding Nikola Tesla.
And there's the falls that we're going to go under.
And there's a Canadian side over there.
Yeah, there's the Canadian side right there.
They're not very busy. You could get, if you were on that side, if we could get over there, we'd get whatever side we want.
There's the falls. Stay with us. We're going to get some good film footage.
It's all part of the horseshoe fall. This is something you definitely want to do on a hot day. Morning is not that bad.
Hit the silver.
So, hey everybody, so we're going to put a picture in right here. It's going to be loud because we're on the observation deck. We just got done, we did, what's it called, Maid of the Mist?
Maid of the Mist.
We'll show out there, hopefully, some of the footage, because the water is everywhere, because when they call it Maid of the Mist, there's mist everywhere. It's more like you're getting, it's a shower. And then we walked a little trail that was beside the falls on the American side, and got some pictures up there, which will be in here somewhere as well. But right behind us is what?
It's Canada.
Well, no, what's that?
Oh, that's the Rainbow Bridge. They call it the Rainbow Bridge that goes back and forth between Canada and the U.S.
Believe it or not, we actually rehearsed this, and he still missed his cue about what that was. Anyways, so now we're on the observation deck. We wanted to get away from a lot of the people because they're all on the falls side of the deck. And I'm gonna put a picture below where you actually can see the Rainbow Bridge and the boat that we were on from the observation deck and how tiny it is. But if you only have one day in this area, like if you can't get in but only one day because the campgrounds during the summer are packed, make this a must do. I would definitely say ride the Maid of the Mist. Go down and check it out for both sides because they'll take you over to both falls.
Yeah, the ticket information for it is it's $25.50 per, or $25.25 per adult. Children were like $12.50, I believe, and that includes the elevator ride to the observation deck. It includes the 20-minute boat ride. You get a free raincoat that you definitely need.
You're definitely going to need it or you're going to be drenched. I would, if you're coming in the hot, if it's hot, the hotter months, I would say July and August probably. I don't know how hot or how long it stays hot here, but definitely wear flip-flops because a lot of people, their shoes are soaked too. And there's a lot of standing water on the boat itself, so your feet will get soaked, but if you're wearing flip-flops, they'll dry quickly.
But for the few hours we spent here, it's been pretty awesome.
Hey, tip for the ladies, I'll tell you this because we didn't get to film, but there was a couple that were getting off the boat before we went on. Use waterproof mascara if you don't want to look like you've been crying all day because some of them look
Scary.
pretty ratchet when they got off the boat. I didn't think that was their intent, but they look pretty sad. But anyways, this is gonna be a quick video. Because this is the only thing we really did here because we're leaving in the morning.
There's one boat leaving, that's the James Glenn. Here's the Nikola Tesla, that was the one we were on, and it's about to dock. And there's a line of people getting ready to get on the boat. That little covered tent down there, that's where you pick up your raincoats. So you notice you're all colorful down here. As soon as you get through the tent, then you start becoming blue. Little blue dots. One thing of interest, on the American side, you have blue raincoats. On the Canadian side, which is right over there, they all wear red raincoats. Coincidence? I think not. So from Niagara Falls, New York, USA side, where will the road take you?
That was kind of corny.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.